So in this video we're going to discuss about the graphical representation of the rate of reaction. So here we are having the rate, a reactant and the product. So in the very starting of the, we can say the rate of reaction, which means the change in concentration with respect to time. So in the very starting of the chemical reaction, we are having the reactant more and product is less. Alright, as you guys all know that. So when the reactant will be less, which means that there is an increasing in the concentration of the product. So here there is a curve like structure occur, which means we are calling that as a steep of slope, which means when this is the curve, which means when in the very starting the reaction is very fast, all right, and further it will become very less, like the reactant concentration become very zero concentration, all right, which means that the reactant become very straight, you can say, because the reactant concentration is very you can say it's zero concentration, and the product concentration increase. All right, so that is all in what, that is all in the irreversible reaction, which means like this, A into B. This is the irreversible reaction, which means which not got reverse. And if we talk about the reversible, that we have discussed in the previous chapter, that in there we have discussed all the reaction about the reversible, but in this video we're going to discuss about the irreversible in this chapter. So that I hope you guys understand. All right, so as you guys all know, the rate, which means rate of concentration with respect to the time changes. So here we can write that rate is directly proportional to the steep of slope, which means that if the concentration of the rate will be increased, so the steep of slope will be increased. If it will be decreased, it will also decrease. So this was the steep of slope is what? Steep of slope is more concentration, which means the more reaction. If there will be more rate, which means the more concentration will be you can say occurred. So that will be higher when the rate of reaction will be higher. All right, so this was about the graphical representation of the rate of reaction. In the next video we are going to discuss about the rate law.